Here is my single slope analog to digital converter. I have raw reading on the left and a millivolt reading on the right. This is my ramp generator and comparator circuit. Variable resistor. And it maxes out about 3.6 volts. .57, 3.6. So 3.462-ish. So call it 3.4 volts scope, and that's me what you call a ramp. It's not very linear. And that's me rough circuit for me ramp generator, variable part, comparator. And this here is my analog to digital converter C code. Got build, reload, upload to chip, power up, and running. So it's only on breadboard, so it's only to show a single slope ADC. Right, that's it for now. Goodbye.